Did you know you don't have to lose your PCP, primary care physician, in hospice? Choosing hospice doesn't mean giving up your doctor or hospital care. Hospice adds a layer of support focused on comfort, dignity, and quality of life, while your primary care physician remains involved. Medicare. Part A covers hospice services, the medications, equipment, and visits related to the terminal illness. Medicare Part B still covers your PCP visits and treatments unrelated to that illness, like diabetes or hypertension. If symptoms become unmanageable at home, hospice can arrange a short inpatient hospice stay for comfort care. If you decide to pursue hospital admission for your illness, example, you have metastatic cancer and now you have pneumonia and you go to the ER, you may revoke hospice temporarily. You have to let hospice know, so they revoke hospice and resume or re-elect after you come home, if that is what you should decide based on your goals. Hospice and primary care work together, ensuring comfort, continuity, and the right to choose what matters most. For more, follow us at Palliative, where palliative care is simplified.